And remember, when this is installed, you haven't changed anything. You've secured the property in its post-loss state.
So why would somebody choose this product over a tarp?
Well, I'm a third-generation roofer, so I know all about blue tarps.
And now we're having these tough times where supply chain's an issue, getting materials to job sites an issue, especially if anything, God forbid, special order.
Insurance adjuster can come out of the home, look under the membrane, and then the installer can reseal it back together.
All right, I got an exciting product for you guys today. It's actually a product that will protect your home from further loss, which is what your duty under loss is when an insurance company is involved. So you want to make sure that you're going to stop any leaks from coming. Typically, you would use blue tarps, and you'll see a sea of blue tarps out here. We're in New Orleans, and as we're landing today, that's all you see, right?
Right.
But tell us a little bit more about your product and why somebody would, over a blue tarp, choose your product.
Sure. Well, I'm a third-generation roofer, so I know all about blue tarps, and unfortunately, it wasn't an effective solution back when I started when I was a kid, and it's definitely not a good solution now because it shreds. We know it lasts about 30 days. And oftentimes when it's installed, you're installing these furring strips on top of the roof, so you're nailing into the roof, damaging it even more. So it's been my goal to create a solution that encapsulates the entire roof system, floats above it, doesn't damage anything below it, attaches around the perimeter, and then secures the home for 1 full year while you're waiting for your materials to come in so you don't get additional damage inside. And it's pretty exciting. We actually developed the system so that it can be easily inspected, so an insurance adjuster can come out of the home, look under the membrane, and then the installer can reseal it back together. So it's a great product, and it definitely works.
So why would somebody choose this product over a tarp? Just curiosity, because I know tarps seem like the most common thing and most common practice. Is this like a permanent solution, or how long does this last versus your typical tarps that you see out there?
No, this is definitely a temporary solution. You know how the product shortages are, and sometimes it's 6-8 months before you can get the products in. So if you use a blue tarp, you're gonna have to replace it 6 times, which is a lot more expensive than just doing this. In addition to using the WrapRoof system to secure your home, you're only having to mitigate that one time. So a blue tarp, when it fails, you're gonna get more interior damage, and the process repeats until you have your final product. So this is a much better solution. It doesn't mold under it. It's slip resistant, so when you're getting on top of the roof, it's a lot less dangerous. So some of the reasons.
In 2022, obviously, what would you say a typical install like this would cost, ranging on different markets?
So we've wanted to keep flatline pricing across the country, or suggested pricing. So the jobs that we give to the installers or the contractors that we work with, or the contractors that get their own work, we suggest $3.50 a square foot for a typical 1-story home. And then you would have add-ons if you're going 2-story, steep pitch, large commercial that's all cut up, so on and so forth.
So basically, if you're looking for a product that's going to protect your home for at least a year, right? Or is it 18 months? I can't remember which one it was.
Well, we have a UV stabilizer in there that protects the membrane for over 18 months. Okay. But we say 1-year warranty because you need to get it replaced, right? It's not there permanently, but you won't have any problems within that 1 year if it's installed.
And now we're having these tough times where supply chain's an issue, getting materials to job sites an issue, especially if anything, God forbid, special order. You're looking 6, 8, 9 months, 10 months easily. So this is probably the right product for your roof when you know that there's a potential for any type of leak. So if you're trying to protect your home, you want to make sure you're not going to get any water in there, no mold damage, no other type of damage. I would highly recommend a product like this to protect your home until those materials get delivered. And then at the end of the day, you're saving your insurance company a lot of money from any potential interior damage.
Exactly. And remember, when this is installed, you haven't changed anything. You've secured the property in its post-loss state, so you can see exactly what happened. So oftentimes after a big storm, it takes adjusters a lot of time, a few days or even a few weeks to get out to the job site. Now you can secure your home, and then when they need to go look at it, you cut it open. It's the same as it was after the storm.
Awesome. Larry, great product. Thanks so much for your time.
Great to spend some time with you.
It's great spending time with you.
Thank you so much.